Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on VIVO V40 Lite. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now you have to move to recovery mode with your volume buttons and then press power button to select. Then select clear data and click on clear all data. Now click OK. Now click on return and then you can go back and click restart. Now click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.